In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $500 in quick cash even if you're broke. Yes, you heard it right. With just a few taps on your phone, you can access 3 free apps that can help you make some extra cash. Whether you're in between jobs, struggling to make ends meet, or simply looking for a side hustle, these apps have got you covered. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the secret to instant financial freedom. Let's get started. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give me a like, share this video, and be the first one to comment on all my videos. And once I reach 9,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick the first comment, and that person's going to win the free money. Now let's get into this video. Okay guys, the first app is called User Field, and I'm at their website. So as soon as you come to this website, you're just going to click right here where it says Get Paid to Test. It's going to take you to this page right here. So it says here, become a tester of websites and apps and earn $3 to $30 per test. So each test lasts 5 to 60 minutes and is completed with your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Most tests are 20 minutes where you earn $10. Read the following instructions and watch the short training video to understand what our customers need from you as a tester. So here's a video right here you can look at. So it says, attention, you will not get paid if you don't watch this training video and read the frequently asked questions. Answer below. Start by watching the video. So guys, you need to watch this video or you're not going to get paid. So what do usability testers do? They conduct usability tests on websites, apps, or prototypes. Their job is to imagine a given scenario and perform certain tasks like finding a product in an online store and going through the checkout process. This helps the owners find and fix usability issues. Now let me read this next one. How do I get paid and how much? We talked about earlier how much you're going to get paid. You can get paid anywhere from $3 to $10, and the test can last 5 minutes to 20 minutes. You need to have a PayPal account to get paid. So if you don't have a PayPal account, make sure you sign up at paypal.com. Okay guys, let me go ahead and go to the next app. Okay guys, I'm at the next app. Name of this one is Newick. So Newick is the world's first predict to earn and social-fi project dedicated to AI-powered future predictor. Newick brings GameFi, social-fi, and AI to everyone. And it is available on Android or iOS. So let's just learn a little bit more. Newick believes in crowdsourced wisdom. Researchers have proven that some people have better foresight than others in each domain. In other words, the best predictors in each domain are different and decentralized. So this is how it works, guys. So you're probably wondering, what is this and how does it work? So want to earn and play at the same time. With Newick, GameFi and SocialFi are no longer for leisure only. So predict to earn, predict the outcome of your interested events, climb up the leaderboard to earn money. And as you can see here is like a little example of how it looks inside the app. Then discuss to earn. So explain your prediction, discuss and interact with the community. Meaningful contributions are eligible for extra rewards. Then number 3, invite to earn. Earn referral bonuses by helping us grow our community. So you can get paid also to invite people. So they have many topics to make predictions on. So crypto, stocks, NBA, NFL, NPL, World Cup. So basically, guys, if you're not understanding how this works, you're just going to predict the outcome in any of these topics right here, and you get paid. So AI powered predictions, our model is trained to identify the best predictions by combining the best inputs to output the final prediction. So this is how it works. So you're trained by the crowd, used by the crowd, and earned by the crowd. Now they do have some frequently asked questions, guys. So once you come to this website, if you still don't understand how it works, just check out these frequently asked questions. But this is a new way of earning money, guys, because you know AI is kind of taking over right now. So this would be a good website to come and make some money just predicting with AI. So again, go to newwick.com to sign up, download the app, and predict and make this money. Now let me go to the last app. Okay guys, I'm at the last app. Name of this app is Rapify. So once you come to this website, you're going to click right here where it says for drivers. So earn hundreds per month, no upfront cost, fast, simple, and easy. So how much can I make? So guys, what it is that if you have a car, you're going to be driving around with a wrap on your car, and you get paid for that. So as you can see here, this is how much you can make. So 360 meaning the whole car is wrapped. That's $264 to $452 per month. 270, this is how 270 look. And this coverage is $196 to $280 per month that you will receive. And 180 is this amount right here. And you'll get $181 to $280 per month. So how to become a driver? So get the app, finalize the profile, then receive offers. So guys, this is another good way to make money. Definitely if you have a car, you really don't. This is really passive income because you're not really doing any work. You're just driving around with a wrap on your car and you get paid for doing that. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Give me a like, drop a comment down below if you have any questions about any of these apps, and please share this all around the internet. I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And on that note, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos to find out other ways to make money online. Peace and have a prosperous day.